Let's delve into how to execute commands in running Docker containers. This gives you interactive access to containerized applications. Docker Exec is your gateway to container internals. Docker Exec is a command that allows you to execute commands inside a running Docker container. Here is a preview of the command. Docker Exec, followed by options, container name, the command to execute, and arguments for the command. Here's the basic syntax for using Docker Exec. The command structure is Docker Exec, options which are enclosed in square brackets, container, command, and arguments which are enclosed in square brackets. Here's a simple example. Docker Exec my container ls space -la. This command lists all files in a container named my container. Let's discuss some common options used with Docker Exec. First, -i or -interactive, which keeps standard input open even if not attached. Second, -t or -tty, which allocates a pseudo tty or terminal. Third, -d or -detach, which runs the command in the background. Fourth, -u or -user, which specifies the username or user ID. Now let's see how to get interactive shell access using Docker Exec. For a bash shell, the command is docker exec -it my container /bin/bash. For a shell also known as sh, the command is docker exec -it web-app sh. You can also run commands as a different user within the container. To run as the root user, use the command docker exec -u root -it my app bash. To run as a specific user, for example www-data, the command is docker exec -u www-data web-server who am I. Docker exec can also be used to run commands in the background. To run a detached process, use the command docker exec -d my container python script.py. To run a background log cleanup, use the command docker exec -d web-app find /var/log -type f -delete. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using Docker Exec. First, use container names or IDs consistently. Second, be cautious with root user access. Third, use the -d flag for long-running processes. Fourth, keep commands simple and focused. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.